Banner grabbing technique. In Kali Linux, just type telnet and define target device information and give port number of the target. Type get, then give space slash space http slash 1.0. You can see we are able to gather information about target device. Here you can see IIS information like Microsoft IIS 10.0. Same you can use NC define target organization IP address information, give enter and then give command get space slash http 1.0. Give 2 time enters, it will give you target device information same as telnet. You can also use nmap to gather information about the target. So define target device IP address or host name, define capital O and scan it. It will give you information about open ports, still scanning is running. You can see scanning is running. Let it find the information of target device. You can also use ID serve software to gather target organization's information. Give IP address of the target device. Query it to the server. You can see IIS information, HTTP information. You can also use netcraft to gather target organizations websites informations like server information, technology information. You can search here, like search me for hackthisSite.org and scan it. It will give you information about web server. Still scanning is running. You can see initiating OS detection. Here you can see we are able to find information about IIS version. DNS information is also showing. You can see operating system details. Microsoft Windows Server 2016 is running on target device, Windows Server 2016. operating systems details, host name details, domain name details, forest name details, FQDN name, so here you can see hackthisite.org reports. You can click on reports. It will give you information about target organizations, technologies, domain information, IP address information. It is taking some time because my internet is slow right now. There is some issue with the ISP, so let it complete it. Here you can see site title information, site rank information, IP address information, IPv6 address information, organizational detail, DNS information, name service informations. Also you can see owner history, hosting details, IP address details, company's information, technology information like PHP, SSL, JavaScript, jQuery. Technological information is also available. So hope you understand how you can gather target organizations, websites or target organization device technology information using banner grabbing techniques. So thank you for watching this video.